Pwede mo zoom out.
Lahat daw po ng players na magagamit dito.
Mamimili ka ba bukas?
Ewan ko.
Mamimili bukas.
Yaman ko.
Sabi mo.
Ito.
Wala.
Baka.
Tsaka sila...
Jajagin ako umaga. Sama ka. Jajagin. Sa suntok eh. Tapos diretso laro. Hindi ka mo kasi nagja-jogging. Naglalakad ka lang eh.
Kasi susunod ka na andun, mamimili wet. Anong oras? Gisingin mo ako.
Ano nagising eh?
Bago na po mag-start yung entrance mo, daw po ng Just Game.
Taray mo entrance.
Gising na naman na sila lola. Ha? Ha?
Kat, good evening.
Ngayon na.
Ha? Magkakasama na ngayon.
Sure ka na susunod
Good evening po.
ka. Sure ka na susunod ka.
Ha?
Sure ka.
Oo.
Ayun na yung escape danjay mo, medyo po.
Meron yun. Vlogger na
Alright,
rin.
then naman our
Yung vlogger na referee.
this evening.
Galing din sa
Just
kanila.
Jay versus School Side. First five po ng magagalang team. Pasok na po, and of course, magandang gabi po sa ating pong masisipag at magigiting na barangay tanod on duty. Ayan. We have Tito Ato Banag, kasama si Idol Romel Paulino, Kuya Sati Johnson, at ang pinakagwapong tanod sa sa Sitio Manalili, Ome Ignacio. With their team leader, we have Tito Ato.
Game.
Go. Jersey number 27, pass to Boltron. Jersey number 28, Biggie Smart. Pass, jersey number 8 on the center. Ganda naman nun! That's the basket. Mike Kasapa pang foul. Jersey number 27, first personal foul. First team foul. Magandang po sa team Gang. Hoy, kakahiya naman. Kita-kita lang eh. Kakahiya naman. Maraming salamat po sa merienda ng committee ngayon. Sponsored by our very own Kinawan Bonet Kaliniw. And jump on side, Nogid. Tapikan. Rebound by Abadjano. And nakanak. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 15, Abadjano. Tansyahin nyo, medyo lukot. 9 minutes na. More. Alright then. And jersey Guardiano ang magtitimon. Guardiano down the middle. On the baseline, Regalado, ipinasa na labas, Goldron. Shot clock down to 10. And Guardiano Nogid. And there's a contact foul, jersey number 7. First personal foul. Stand, di ba? First team foul.
Wala ang ating connection. Ay, no.
And jersey number 28, Boltron. But there's a motion foul committed by jersey number 2. First personal foul, third team foul. And jersey number 8, Manapan. Manapad,
Daniel
Pins
Live.
Ramon,
Daniel.
pass to Guardiano, shot clock down to 8, Manapad, pull up jumper, no game, rebound by the Guzman, school side. And now on the offense position, jersey number 2, the Guzman being harassed by Guardiano. Nakakita si jersey number 28! But there's a foul committed by jersey number
Share nyo yung live.
8. First personal foul, second team foul. Dalawang pagbubusto by jersey number 28. Mr. Bonggang Tilio. No good there.
100.
Second throw. First line.
Patay.
Nice one.
Babay
Left
sa
back all three. And jersey number 28 to Albania. Albania sa gilid, rekta na kita Guardiano. No good. Tapitan ng ibago regalado using the glass. Easy for two. And Gabina. Pass jersey number 2. Jacobo down the ladder. Jersey number 2 pressing the ball. Looking for a friend. Still by Guardiano. Jersey number 7. Contra Gabina. But there's a foul committed by jersey number 5. Blocking foul. First personal foul, substitution rep. Sino idol? Alam mo na. 2 throws by jersey number 7. Ang pakawala ni Tata Conrado Stanley Regalado. First ball. Amen. Second throw. Magandang gabi po kay Mr. Atis. Big rebound by Gavina. Pass to Calilio, the court general. With isolation. Pass to jersey number 28. Sa gilid. And jersey number Calilio. Kay number 27. Magtatangka. And nice shot. Good for two by Abadjano. And jersey number 28. Poltron. To regalado recta. Floater. Wala. Rebound by jersey number 3, Guardiano. Catch and shoot. Nice shot by Guardiano. Deadlock all 5. Galileo. Cross.
Pa-share po ng live.
Setting a table. Looking for a friend to number 27. Number 27 being harassed and still by Regalado. Pass to jersey number 28. Poltron contra Galileo. And that's the basket. May kasama kang foul. Who's my rep? Jersey number 38, first personal foul, penalty situation. Bonus throw to be given by jersey number 28. The man called himself Mr. Voltron. And of course, no good. Rebound by Albania. But there's a foul, jersey number 28. Bongadillo. Substitution, penalty. Subreps. 28, Voltron out. Number 15, out. Sino po, sir? 28, out. Foul, kaya nga may free throw. First throw by number 9, Albania. First throw no good. Muli po magandang gabi sa pagbaing kauna-unahang naka-30 sa Barangay Inaon. None other than Ate RR. And jersey number 38, Galileo dancing on the floor, being harassed by Guardiano. Pass to De Los Santos. De Los Santos steal by Guardiano. Nakita Regalado. Sumaliksag! Goal!
dadakdak na.
Mawala eh.
Sayang.
And jersey number 30. Number 38. Nakita. And Gabina. Nagib. Kapitan. Mangingibabaw. Albania. Pressing the ball. Looking for a friend. And there's a foul committed by jersey number 13. First personal foul penalty situation. Magandang po kay Mr. ATO Ato de Guzman. Substitution rep. Isjen ba si Isjen? Tanley out. And jersey number 15, Mr. L. Granada in. Second row. Nugget, power rebound by Valenzuela. Nakita jersey number 38, the court general, ang atake. Nugget, rebound by L. Pass. Line violation.
Oh, may nalaglag ng
5
isa.
minutes and 26 seconds. Ayan. And number 21, Tuguangiano. Lucky bounce is good. And jersey number 13, De Los Santos, taking his mark. De Los Santos on the go. Valenzuela with a fake. Check the Don Idol. And jersey number 9, pass to Guardiano. Guardiano down the ladder, still by Gabina. Gabina on the go, and there's a foul committed by jersey number 8, Manapat on his second personal foul, 30 pound. Substitution ref. Number 8 out. And jersey number, Gabina with a side step. Nakakuha ng foul. Jersey number 15, Mr. L. Granada. First personal foul, warning for penalty. 2 shots by jersey number 5, the Ipman Gabina. First row, Sablay. Second row. Magandang gabi po kay Idol Bishop Kaligil. And jersey number 3, Guardiano, ang may tanga ng bola. Taking smart, jersey number 3, Guardiano to Albania sa gilid. Shot clock down to 10, pipilitin, check ka doon, Valenzuela to Galileo connecting. Jersey number 38, down the ladder. Jersey number 38 to Valenzuela, no good. Tapingan, maring ibabaw, L. Granada. But there's a whistle. Substitution. Ano? Albania out. Sino? Guardiano out. And Gabina puts it up. Nugget. Power rebound by Regalado. Pass to Dimla. Setting the table. Jersey number 21, Albania ang magtitingon. Albania on the go with a crossover. Check ka doon. Steal by Valenzuela. Humahangos. Jersey number 14. Sumalaksak. And foul. Jersey number
Sayang.
26. First personal foul. Both teams are in penalty. Unang pag-ubuslo ni Valenzuela, no good. Second row. Nice one. Talaan ng puntos. And Manapat down the ladder. Looking for a friend. The jersey number 26 puts it up. Nugget. Rebound by Regalado. Using the last one up. And number 26 nakapulot to El Granada. But there's a foul committed by jersey number 11.
Mainit.
Number 11, first personal foul. Unang pagmuslo by El Granada. First ball is good. Pag na-shoot yung pangalawa.
Paano yung kamay nyo?
Second row. Sabrep.
Dapa. Paano lang mo sinabi na gambala sila?
Galileo, the court general, crossing the ring court, looking for a friend. Nakakita sa gitna, gabi na. Traveling violation. Traveling tong ano?
Oh, sige.
And jersey number 7, Regalado. And intercept by jersey number 14, Valenzuela. Nag-aabang, Albania. Regalado using the glass. Wala. Tapingan. Manilibabaw. Navarro. Pass to jersey number 38. And number 38, Galileo. 2. Nice shot by Gabina. And jersey number 7. No good. Rebound by jersey number 38, Galileo. Ang magtitimon. Jersey number 38, looking for a friend to Gabina. Traveling violation. And Coach Tamo called the timeout for the team. Sino ba? Ere daw. Nakaliserve ko yung idol. Timeout, Just J. Remaining time 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Talaan yung puntos. 14-8 in favor of Just J. Magandang gabi po sa pari kong buo. Paul Jan, RCO, also known as pulong na simpleng dinadamdam at dinadama ang paghiti ng RG.
Pogi nung kapatid ko na rin.
Tama niya pare.
Oche, pasok.
Alright, back in the ball game.
Ay, share nyo live para may pang show may race kami. Hindi kami kikita, bahala kayo.
Nanonood
Mamaya na paring panel.
Sina?
ka?
Sino?
Tita?
Tangin mo muna, tangin mo
Yun na.
muna. Sabi.
Ha?
And number 21, to El Granada floater, wala. Ay, violation. Sabi ko naman. Number 11, out. Para malapit ang birthday
Ayun,
mo.
sa buhay ko dyan.
Birthday pala natin. Ang
Ay,
Destori
dyan tayo, sa ganun.
Alcon ng school side.
Shoutout sa kapatid ko.
Panta mo, saglit lang. No good. And Gabina. Oy, for the recovery, Albania slicing the road to Magkano. No good. No good. And jersey number 38, Galileo. Nakita. Number 14, Valenzuela. No good. Number
Ayan o. Hindi ka tumingin eh. Huwag ka tumingin.
31, Manapat, to Dimla, fire of 3, no good. Rebound by Valenzuela. Pass to jersey number 20, number 5, Gabina. Gabina down the lender, slicing the road to Valenzuela. Oy!
Marang sirip.
And baseball pass intercept by number 38. Jersey number 38 on the go to
Gago ka pa talaga dati.
who's fouled rep, jersey number 2, Dali Santos.
Shoutout po kay Pearl Rodriguez.
No good. Second row. Big
Hindi ka tumawa.
Cruz.
Shoutout po sa inyo. Share nyo po yung live.
Lucky bounce is good. And jersey number
Mas malaki ka pa
21,
dyan eh.
Manapat. Ang may pangan ng bola.
Kamalikot.
To De Los Santos. Jersey number 2 on the baseline. Albania shot lock down to 10. De Los Santos. Babanggain. No good. Power rebound by L. Pass number 20. De Los Santos with a pin. But there's a ball committed by jersey number
Buta tayo.
8. First personal foul. 2
Ay,
goals by De Los Santos.
sensitive yung kambal ko.
First row.
Damo lang kinakain yan.
No
Rep!
good.
Rep! Ayaw mo na.
Second row.
Yeah! Poge!
No good again. Rebound by Gabina. Looking for a friend. Pass to jersey number.
First quarter pa rin ba?
Gabina for the recovery. Sa kanya pa din. And there's a contact foul, jersey number 21. First personal foul, both teams are in penalty last 20 seconds.
Uy, siksikan sila to. Para sila mga sardinas, oh. Patay.
Magandang gabi po kay Paring Erop.
Yeah, magandang gabi.
Pamaling siya. Okay,
Shoutout po sa kuya ni Abadinas.
No good. Substitution rap. Number 20 out and Voltron in.
Ay, Voltron. Eto pa, isang Voltron.
And jersey number.
Iya, tinignan ka.
Last 10 seconds. Number 28. Jersey number 28 using the glass. Nice shot by Voltron. 3 seconds.
Galing.
At dyan po nagwawakas ang ating unang bahagi with a score of 9-18 in favor of Team Just J.
Bilis ng oras. Shoutout po sa mga tiga Puluntera. Ay, wala. Ay. Pare, mga bata sa pagkabuhayan. Kaya kami nagre-reklamo po. Reklamo eh. Shoutout po sa amin. Kayo nga, kakalaro lang eh.
Natalo kami sa nakalalak eh.
Ano ba kami?
Habit.
Ay, Ben.
Hindi, kalaban
And
nila
the
yan.
ball game entering the second one.
Alam ginawa, lintik ang forma, nakanipat pa eh. Wala nang ginawa, panay ang takbo.
Oo, ikaw nga yung walang ginagawa sa team mo. Puro ka sa mga urong itlog.
Silipin mo.
And jersey number 28, Paul Gadillo.
Ayun na,
Set the table.
ayun na.
And jersey number 28, Nogin. Power rebound by Abadiano. Pass to Placino. Placino down the ladder. Looking for a friend.
Nakalive ka, sinabi ang bobo kuya mo.
Out of bounds.
Tanga naman ni Kuya, sila nag-iisa.
Uy, nakalive ka, pag narinig ka ng kuya mo, bahala ka.
Kamo siya marinig nga.
And jersey number 28.
Oo.
And jersey number 9. Nice shot. Good for Dill by jersey number 9.
Ayun na, Pongard.
Jersey number Placino to number 28, Bongadillo Placino. Nice shot, good for 2 by Kumpare kong buo, Mr. Javier.
Shoutout po sa 19 viewers. 19 viewers. Ay, 19 eh.
19,000 viewers.
And jersey number.
Yeah!
Oy! And Abadiano on the go, number 15, sasalaksak! But there's a foul committed by jersey number 09. First personal foul by jersey number 09. Two throws by jersey number 15, Mr. Abadiano. First throw is good. Second throw. Nugget, the rebound by number 9.
Takbo! Ay, tumakbo!
And jersey number 3, Guardiano, down the ladder, papasok! Nice shot, good for 2.
3 months nyo pinag-aralan yan.
Magandang gabi po kay Idol CDG. And jersey number 28, the rescuer, Mr. Bongadillo.
Ayun, pakawala ng tubig.
And Valenzuela, back to Bongadillo. Bongadillo to Placino. Jumper is good. Lista mo na. Perimeter shot. The jersey number 18, Placino.
Di ba yun yung bumbero? Bonggandillo. Yun yan.
Pinsan ni STL. Nagid. And rebound by jersey number Placino. Ibinasa. Out of bounds.
Same ball. Laban nyo.
Hayaan nyo na po, matanda na eh. Hindi na po Hindi na ngawit na po.
Pass to Boltron.
Aya.
Boltron with a crossover. And Albania. There's a foul committed by jersey number 14. Number 14 on his. At 34 na? 14.
Kuya, ba't tumakbo ka?
First personal foul. Jersey number 9. First throw by Albania. No good.
SK, pa-burger ka naman.
Burger daw.
Medical. No good. Foul and rebound.
Go kuya, go kuya.
Inbounding by.
Go daddy.
And jersey number 18. The babyface assassin. Pass to the rescuer. Jersey
Rescuer.
number 28. Pongadillo with a side step. No good. Rebound by Albania. Looking for a friend to jersey number 28.
Ayun na.
Boltron. Jersey number 28 with a flipping harass. And jersey number 22. Yun lang ang
Tutak na mo ano. Adobo!
Traveling violation by yung sign.
Asuhin mo!
Aso, ere.
Hintay lang palang mga traffic. Duenya sa inilabas agad. And Bocadillo, intercept by Gorgiano. Aatake jersey number 3. Pass to Boltron. Boltron pressing the ball. Who's ball ref? Jersey number 18. Babyface assassin on his first personal foul. Second team foul. Maganda.
Malaki lang katawan mo eh.
Boss, Ape Dungka.
Oh!
Idol.
Butata.
Ay, nabilin eh. Oy! Blank ulit ng idol. Ayan na si pare kong buo. Mr. Javier on the goal. Jersey number 25. Sumalaksak. Rogid. And nice shot by jersey number 18. The babyface assassin, Mr. Placino.
Iyan.
Dale, dakdak.
Ang pinsan ni SKL na. Nainlang.
Ay, Paul. Ay, di pala ako referee.
Who's on run? Jersey number 14. Holding foul. Substitution ref.
Shoutout doon sa tropa ko. Pogi oh.
Ang motto ni SKL, tinagtagpo. Pero tinagtag. And jersey number 7. Ang pakawala nila ng Ronaldo, no good.
Takot ako
Still,
yung Ronaldo.
jersey number 7 for his second throw. No good. Power rebound by Campina. Jersey number 5, pass to the court general. Jersey number 2, Kekob. Setting the table to Gabina. Aatake with a side step. Wala. Rebound by El Granada. And jersey number
Huli!
8, Manapan, sumalaksak. Yusuf Douglas. Easy for you.
Gulo nung katabi ko. Iyaya.
And jersey number 2, setting the table. Looking for a friend to jersey number 38, ang magtitimon. Pass to jersey number 18, the babyface assassin. Back to jersey number 5, second shot clock. And Tapigan, Gabina, Baguelo. No good, rebound by El Granada. Oy, intercept by Galileo. Yun na, Boltron nagabang, hindi obra yan kay Placino. Take off on the go! And jersey number 8 on the go. Pass to jersey number. Gandang pasahan naman doon. Nice shot by Manapan. Napakakamot si Coach. And Coach Tamo, call the timeout for the team is school side na.
Shoutout din sa'yo, Coach John Arthur Enrique. I love you.
Segundo, tala ng puntos. 26-16, 10 puntos. Pasok muna ng team Justin. And of course,
Mag-comment yung idol ka, pare. ano yan? Nag-comment yung idol ko.
Sino ba yan?
Si Coach.
Coach.
Di ba man nakikita pa naman? Pare. Si ano? Ano ba? Si... GK Vlogs.
GK Vlog, shout out.
Shoutout sa'yo, GK Vlogs. Isang, pitikan mo naman kami dito sa Barangay Naon.
Tayo, nakatawan.
And jersey number 30. Number 38 down the ladder. To number 18, Fire. Nogid. Airball and to El Granada. Looking for a friend. Still by Gabina. Gabina on the goal. Jersey number 5. Sinubo. Wala. Tapigan. But there's a contact foul. Jersey number 5. Pushing foul.
Bubulang ka pa kasi.
Kaya mo na, matanda na, ganun talaga.
Second personal foul.
Pag ikaw tumata,
More
magugulang ka na
penalty.
lang din.
Gago, di ako magulang. Hindi mo ako katulad.
Katulid! Ay, shoutout din sa bata.
And jersey number.
Gang.
Jersey number 21. Pass to El Granada. Nugget. Tapigan. Nice shot by jersey number 7. Pakawala ni Tata Conrado. Santi Regalado. Magandang gabi, Pariero.
Nakawala sa baboyan.
And number 38, sa gilid, Jacobo. Pass, jersey number 38, shot clock down to 7, Carmina sa gitna. Tapigan, intercept by jersey number 7. Pass to Manabat. Manabat down the ladder, being harassed by Guzman. 15-second shot clock. And El Granada, nice shot! Good for two by El Granada.
Coach GK Vlogs, pengi o chocolate pag uwi mo sa Pilipinas.
Ang magtitimon, pupukol ng tres, Nogid, Tapigan, mangingibabaw gabi na, 2 jersey number 18, the baby face assassin. Good for two by jersey number 18, Placino, ang pinsan ni SKL. Shot clock down to 10. And jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 3. Puts it up. Bang! Guardiano. 3.
Oo.
Traveling violation. Sabre.
Padalan nyo na lang po kami, Coach G ng chocolate.
Sub number 18 out.
Sa Dubai daw eh.
Inbounding by Guardiano.
Swerte ka dyan.
Jersey number 21. And number 21, Albano with the ball fake pass in the court. General Guardiano.
Traveling.
Traveling violation. Maganda rin po kay Mr.
Nabati kasi. Nabate.
Na para bang B at D ang tawagan. And jersey number 2, Jacobo with the ball fake goes inside Abachano on the baseline. Gets the basket. May kasama bang foul? Jersey number 3. First personal foul. Second.
Shoutout po sa mga viewers na hindi na nagdagdagan.
Awit.
Awit sa inyo guys.
Paano dadagdagan? Ikadagdag mo.
No, kid.
Degil ko rin. Aya.
And number 21, jersey number 21 down the ladder. Looking for a friend. Jersey number 21, shot clock down to 10, but there's a traveling violation.
Coach, may nagpapa-shoutout.
Magandang gabi po kay Pari.
Shoutout sa'yo, Aris Rivera.
Ano sabi yan?
Rivera, si Aris.
Dalawa eh.
Ayan nga, si
And jersey number 2, ang magtitimon at yun lang.
Mananalo to ang dati. Manalig sa taas.
Shoutout sa'yo, Raymond Dumawag. Pasit kami. Ang may-ari ng Boss Mike. Ayun na, si Kuya Raymond.
Iyon, magandang po sa Team Gang Gang! Hey! And jersey number 3, Guardiano with a floater, wala. Mangingibabaw, Albania. Albania being thrown ball intercept by Kaliniu. Pass to Lloyd.
Uy!
And there's a foul committed by... Asa ba si ang ating rescue? Muna pong gagawin, andyan si A. Si Bong Gani.
Guys, ingat tayo sa paglalaro. Yan, okay pa naman siya. Malakas siya ngayon, gabi na eh.
Jersey number 3, pushing foul.
Nagpahinga lang konti.
Second personal foul by Guardiano. Ano? Third team foul. And jersey number 28, Kaliliu. Pass to Jacobo. Back to Kaliliu. Kaliliu on the penetrate. No good. And out of bounds. Substitution left. Number 3 out. And jersey number 22, the matini idol of Cali Emilio, Jomari Williamson. Sabi sino ba idol? 15 and out. And jersey number 28, Bongadi. Pass to jersey number 38, Galileo. Down the letter, intercept. And jersey number 21, Manapan, umatake. Nice shot, good for you.
Bilis tatakbo ni Rap.
Lamang ng 15 ang Just J. The score 37-20. And jersey number 5,
Birthday ba ng kuya mo?
3 by Kalin.
Di ko kilala yan eh.
And
Shoutout din
jersey
daw po
number
sa inyo.
9, Albania. With a slow-mo, wala. Bola, mapupunta kay Kalilio. Kalilio down the letter on the goal.
Foul.
Who's foul on jersey number 2? Holding foul, number 2 on his. Second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Happy birthday, Voltron!
And jersey number 28, Bonggadillo. Down the letter, pass jersey number. Gabina atake. But there's a ball committed by jersey number 09 on his. Second personal foul, penalty situation. Zagreb, number 9 out and Regalado in. 2 throws to be given by jersey number 5. The man called himself Mr. Gabina. The in man. No good. Second throw. No good. Rebound by Regalado. And jersey number 7, Regalado. Sasalaksak. No good. Rebound by the man. Gabina on the go. Jersey number 5. Sumalaksak. Gets the basket. May kasama ng foul. Who's foul ref? Jersey number 31 on his. First personal foul, penalty situation. Bonus shot by jersey number 5, David Gabina. Magandang gabi po sa aking magiging kumpare kong buo. Walang iba kundi si Paligo. Junjun, Maniako, pamamatigaan na naman bukas.
Miscommunication. Yeah, miss daw, miss. Guys, nagkakagulo sila, guys. Shoutout sa mga natitirang matibay. Shoutout to sa idol ko.
Okay. 1 minute and 2 seconds.
Para po sila nasa uno-uno lang, miss daw po.
Tapon nyo na kay bola.
Okay.
Kumaka na
Sabre,
naman.
sino ba idol? Alvin Martin
kananang ganun.
2018.
Tapon daw.
Bakit mo? Makamantikala naman bukas.
May tindig ka talaga. Ano?
Ganda na sapatos ha.
Ganap na alas 10 ng umaga.
Maga.
And jersey number 21 on the baseline. Yun lang, traveling violation.
Traveling
Last
daw po.
50 seconds.
Una daw po step. Last 10 na umaga.
Ayun, wait lang muna. Comedy time out. Wait lang. Okay, Aaron. 50 seconds.
0-0 ang score. Shoutout po sa Poging-Pogi na rin. Ah? Parbor jersey.
Ayaw magbibigay ng jersey eh.
Hindi, si Bilog yun. Ayaw bibigay, madami.
Kita.
Ay, shoutout po sa idol ko. Ay, Parbor jersey.
Bigyan ko na daw.
Ah.
50 seconds. Score natin, idol. Ay, kasi ba yan ang pagkuya ng French?
Binura mo pa ano, Coach GK.
Ay, ano lang?
Toss coin daw eh.
25 ang Just J.
May nakapangalan na sa akin yung jersey na yan.
Kay Nino.
25-35. 50 seconds, idol.
Be?
Kahit di siya binigay sa akin, papalun ko siya.
Oo, tapang talaga Nere. Oh.
2. Yun. 2 lang.
Shoutout po kay Coach Jessel. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
50 seconds.
Nako.
Parang niloloko talaga tayo.
Pangit mo kasi eh. Di na ka.
Oh, ako paano?
Stop it.
Kaya nawawala ng signal, nandito ka.
Score. 25-35. Yung ball possession natin tsaka yung
4-19.
team foul.
Bakit ba? Favorite number nila yun eh. Paano pag nadagdagan yan? May mababawas. Yan.
35. Yun.
Kaya may
Team
konti
foul.
lang naniniwala.
Pero kasi,
Teams
ba't
na,
tayo mo
warning na yung dito. Tapos,
Nakamasid na lang.
rito. Yun! Alright! Balik sa sagupaan with a score of 25-35 for the last 50 seconds. Go, Rep.
Shoutout sa mga titirang matibay.
And Jacobo, down the ladder. Jersey number 2 ang magtitimon. Jersey number 2, de Guzman to Bongadi. Bongadi sa gilid. Galileo a-atake with a floater. Lucky bounce is good. Last 30 seconds.
Ang bola.
Kagulo naman.
And jersey number 21, Albania. Yun lang, magandang gabi po kay Kinan Soledad Pangilinan magtapos together with Mrs.
Oy,
Ama. And jersey
galing.
number 38, wala na pong shot clock. Last 15 seconds.
Tagal ng quarter yan.
Last 10 seconds. Last 5 seconds. At dyan po nagwawakas ang ating kalawang bahagi o the first round.
May nag-chat po. Naubos na daw po ang load.
Still, Just J takes the lead.
Pambili ko nito.
Ha? Paring Gok, sumasama si Paring D, kakay daw.
Kambal mo.
Pare, niloko tayo pare.
Minuto lang.
Shoutout po sa kapatid si Tetel. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Mamamatay ka na bukas.
Schedule ko kayo bukas.
Ay!
Ako na po, game.
Bilis, bilis!
Once again, happy viewing po to Mr. and Mrs. Tubig. Na ang tawagan ay ni at Lee.
Shoutout po kay Rep, napaka-pogi.
Technical ka sa akin.
Technical ka sa akin, Rep. Napakabilis!
Jersey number 38. Oy, Abadjano, ganda naman yun. Nice shot by Abadjano. And of course, big shout out to Miss Angelina Bardillon Cruz and Mr. ang all-star. And jersey number, Interstock and Guardiano ang atake, jersey number 3. Yun lang. Same ball.
Kabisado na kasi galaw. Ayaw iba yung galaw.
May nagre-reklamo po sa gilid. Ibahin daw po ang galaw. Paulit-ulit na lang daw po.
And jersey number 3, sa gilid, aatake! Nogin, rebound by jersey number 8, nakapulong, Yusip Paglas.
Shoutout po kayo dyan. Kahit po muna tayo mangga.
And jersey... Three points by jersey number 38, Mr. Galileo. Baba sa 5. Ang
Ating
may
mangga.
tangan ng bola. Jersey number 3, Guardiano, nakita Regalado. Regalado, sasalaksang, nakita De Los Santos. Nice shot by De Los Santos.
Kumikinig po si ate ko.
Lahat na napapansin.
And jersey number 28, Bonggadin. Uy! There's a foul committed by jersey number
Yung kwarta lang.
2.
Tama ko anong kwarta.
Third personal foul. Sans Israel. Sino
Ako
ba?
nakakaisang ano pa lang.
15 out.
Third quarter na nga po.
Guardiano.
Okay ba?
And number 14.
Gagalit naman.
Israeli.
Gagalit.
And number 28. First ball.
Uy, one hand.
It's good. Second row.
Oh. 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 Yeah.
Nice shot from him. Kalilio out, Garcia in. Warning po ang bench ng ating Just J. And jersey number 3, Guardiano. Crossing the midcourt, taking smart jersey number 3 ang magtitimon to Regalado. Regalado lulusog. But there's a ball committed by jersey number 27, Garcia on his second personal foul per Steve Ball.
Labas yun ito. Anong ginagawa yun?
Jersey number 3. Pass jersey number 28. Number 28, with a spinning move. Yun lang sumobra sa ikot si Idol. Traveling violation. And jersey number... And 5! Down to
Chris J. Reyes, shoutout. Shoutout po sa inyo.
And jersey number 3, Sergio Table to Guardiano. And jersey number 3, fire, no good. Tapigan. Makukuha ni Bonggadillo on jersey number 28.
Uy, puro.
Sa kanya pa rin yung pala-play. Iyon lang, out of bounds. Single.
Coach, punta dito sa Inaon.
Nice one. The rescuer. Timeout, Just J. Remaining time 6 minutes and 57 seconds. Running score, deadlock, all 39. Tabla na po ang score ng magandang team. And of course, magandang din po sa aking Tito Ninong, none other than Mr. Bandy Albania. And of course, ayan, shout out daw po sa mga patubo ni Tito Ade. Maaga pa raw po maglilinis ng pool bukas. And jersey number 3, down the ladder. Jersey number 3, ang magtitimon. Jersey number 3, looking for jersey number 8, panapat. Back to number 3, sa gilid. But there's a contact foul, jersey number, pardon that, 5. Gabina on his third personal foul. Third personal foul. Third personal foul. Substitution rep. Gabina out. Number 11 in.
Lahat pinalo ko sa Albanyo.
Coach ka ba?
And jersey number 2, iikot. Dela Santos, good for 2. And jersey number 2, Kekob. Looking for a friend to Garcia. Garcia, iikot. Big drop, shot clock down to 10. And intercept, Guardiano on the go. Jersey number 3. Uy, ganda. Traveling violation.
Mag-dribble daw muna.
Iyon, magandang gabi po and big shout out habang dinadamdam o dinadama ang paghibak ng camel. Paring Joker. And jersey number 28, Bongadi. Pass to jersey number 28, back to Bongadi. Puts it up! Nagin! Power rebound by jersey number 7, Regalado. Jersey number 7, humahapos. And number 7, to Dela Santos. Nice shot! Good for 2 by Dela Santos. Papapakamot si Parang Dama.
Shoutout sa mga sumisigaw dun, oh.
And the rescuer, Mr. Bongadillo. Jumper by Nogin, rebound by Dela Santos. To jersey number 3, Guardiano, the court general. Pass to number 8, easy for 2. And Coach Tamo call the timeout for the team. It's school side. Remaining time 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Talaan ng puntos. 39-45 ang na puntos para sa punan ng team. Just J.
Oh.
Hindi ako masigyan. Kasi dalawa kong kapla si World. Kasi kayo namin po. Kaya. Kumampi ka sa malalakas, hindi ka mabababad.
Tama, tiyan mo ako. Nasa mahina. First 5 pa.
Iyon, magandang mag-report sa
Kahit
team.
labanan kita ulutan,
Lalaban naman ako.
hindi ka tatagos.
Ako, diniga ka sa akin.
Basta ano lang, 1 to 8.
Ay, andyan mo na.
Ako, 1 to 21 nga.
And
Okay,
jersey
one
number
stop.
18, to jersey number 38, shot clock down to 10. Nugget, rebound by...
Hoy! Ito sa camera.
Guys, mababait sila maglaro guys, sports lang sila.
Double foul, jersey number 28 of school side and number 15 of Chelsea.
Guys, binibidyoan niya kami guys.
Number
Papost
15
ko
on
to sa
his
Facebook.
second personal foul. Number 28 on his second personal foul, jump ball. Ball possession po ng school side. And jersey number 38, the court general, setting the table, puts it up, bang, bang, three!
Takbong, Hinebra.
42-45, panay ng puntos.
Ganda na sa Paris niya.
And jersey number 3, setting the table, pass jersey number 8, number 8. Oy, ganda naman yun. Nice shot by jersey number 8. Manaban.
Nagagalit pa kayo si Volter ah. Nagwawala.
And number 28, the rescuer, pass to the court general. Jersey number 28, and 38, shot clock down to 8. And number 5 second shot clock. Substitution ref. Diyan talaga makikita ko sino ang magaling na point guard. Correct? And number 28, Bougainvillea. And jersey number, oy! Good. And jersey number 5, Cabina, oy, tukop! And is Jen, nakita si Botron, jersey number 28. Tung El Granada. Brothers about to
Oy!
by jersey number.
Nalito yung tiga-video.
Volter, ano ba?
And
Tanga na naman.
28.
Oh!
Number 28 on his. Third personal foul, unang paggusto by El Granada. No good. Second row.
Guys, nagre-reklamo.
Huwag kang reklamo eh. Dahil mo pala reklamo.
Once again, happy viewing to the team. Nice one. Sublet. 28 out.
Player na may gusto yung maging coach. Player na referee.
Placino, the baby-faced assassin. Set the table. Pass to Gabina. Gabina, lulusog. Hey. But there's a foul committed by jersey number 3. Number 3 on his. Third personal foul. Number 18. Baby-faced assassin out. Pass in jersey number 2. De Guzman.
Say,
Jersey number 5.
ano,
Personal.
inongonad. Ayun o.
Nice one.
Tayo ka,
Magandang
tumayo ka.
po sa pari kong buo, ang ikasampung pinsan ni Daniel Padilla,
Puntahan mo.
Robert Padilla.
Sabihin mo, kalapitin mo lang.
And jersey number 3,
Kalapitin mo lang. Sabihin mo, nanonood tayo.
Ano
para alam na, hindi ka pa.
Abadjano, oy!
Pantay na lang.
Number 3. On the goal, but there's a contact by jersey number.
Eh, kaya nga, baka hindi alam na nakauwi ka na.
Sino?
Pero,
8 ang foul?
Gusto mo?
7
Nasa
malasang.
tingin ko, tawag mo.
Alam siya kung
Oo, sa tawag.
2. Wait lang, idol. Second personal foul, penalty. Okay, penalty.
Kasama dun eh.
Ano ba? Sabihin mo na tawag ko.
Thrower ko.
Hindi naman pupunta dito.
Kuya, mangaras ka.
Asuhin mo.
First row. No good. Again, happy viewing to Mr. and Mrs. Tubig na tila ba ang tawagan nila Wayne Akti. Asan ba tinanay Rosario? Sleeping beauty na. Sleeping beauty na. Hoy! But there's a foul committed by jersey number 5. Jersey number 5. Warning. Sabret. Guardiano out.
Nako, nilabas na naman.
Nagpapahinga lang.
Lumawang ko lang dito binahay ko.
Nice one. Magandang gabi po kay Idol Jervin Octa. Second row. Nice one. Again.
Tumaligot pa.
Tala ng puntos. 50. 20. And jersey number 2. And 5. Ang ganda. Red ball, jump ball. Three minutes to 12.
Shoutout po sa mga viewers na hindi nadadagdagan.
Regalado puts it up. No good. Power rebound by jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 on the good. De Guzman. Single. Substitution red. Uy, Gabina, isinubo. 2 puntos. Babasa ng mga kalamangan na may tanga ng bola. Jersey number 21. Number 21 to number 9, Lulusob. No good. Sa kanya pa rin. And Isjen. Uy! But there's a foul committed by jersey number.
Dalawa
Is
yun.
correct. Jersey number 2. The Guzman on heads. Substitution, right? Third personal foul.
Di ba dalawa sumabay yan? Dapat dalawa yung foul na yan.
Wala, pakagulo na rin.
Okay.
Bata na rin. Ayaw maglubay.
Nice one.
Apat na free throw. Oo. May toyo ka talaga. Parang gumawa ng NBA.
No good. And jersey number 9.
Ako na.
No good. Rebound by Abadjano. Pass to jersey number 2. And jersey number 2 down the ladder. Number 2, the Guzman. To Bongadillo, back to the Guzman. Bongadillo shot clock down to 12. And Abadjano, hindi na. And Abadjano. And who's ball back? Jersey number. Jersey number 28.
Tinutuon. Manang-mana kaya pa dinas. Tinutuon.
Warning for penalty.
Nagtitriod doon. Lumayo
Sa
ka na.
gilid, Canilio with a step back. Bongadillo. Pass to number 2, the Guzman. The Guzman. But there's a foul committed by jersey number 28. Number 28. Second personal foul. Both teams are in penalty.
Ano ba ginawa ko?
No good. Second row. Nice one. And jersey number 21.
Dabas na may gusto pa itakbo.
And jersey number.
Nakabalakpak na kalapatin ng mili ko dahil.
Number 28. Warning for disqualification. No good. Second row. Rebound by Abadjano. And jersey number 7. Number 2. And Bongadillo 5. No good. Abadjano. No good again. Rebound by El Granada. Pass to jersey number 9. 28 rather. Boltron. Send the table.
Nagamit kayo ng oras, hindi kayo umaha.
Jersey number 28 to number 8. Shot clock down to 10. 5. No good. Rebound by
Kalaban
ball
na
number
talamang.
09. Both teams are in penalty. Third personal foul.
Dapat mag-like na.
Nice one by the rescuer Bongadillo. Second row. Nice one again. One minute and 5 seconds. And number 21, jersey number 21, pass to Boltron, pull up jumper, second and wala.
Oh!
Sabi.
Kumain na ba si Kuya? Ba't ba ka ng mga pera?
Hinira mo ng kanin lamig eh.
Seconds.
nagsalita eh.
And the rescuer looking for a friend. And number 18, fine. Logging, rebound by L. To jersey number 21. Number 21, Logging. And Bocadillo. Pass to jersey number 18. And number 18 to Abadjano. Logging. Rebound by L. Looking for a friend. Pass to jersey number 8 to Boltron. Boltron on the go. Pass to number 8. Nice shot. Good for 2. Last 20 seconds. Last 15 seconds.
Ayoko.
Last 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And of the third quarter with a score of 53-48, 5 puntos para sa kupunan ng Team GSG.
Standing yan, pare. 0-0 to, protesta pa, Mor!
Ikaw, ano yung standing nyo?
1-1. Ano? Sino to, Rico?
Popost kita sa Facebook.
Rico. Ano ba? Urong ba yung tagder? Protesta kaya?
Ano ka naman si shoutout?
Huwag ko na protesta yung coach niya ba ng protesta?
Si Allen. Si Allen.
Protesta pa kayo?
Toyo si Allen eh.
Gago magaling na yung isa niyo.
Sinayang si Lance eh.
Kami din naman yung protesta.
Nagprotesta sila Allen. Kasi natanggal si Lance.
Kaya itabi ko na sino to eh. Bulok.
Ayaw nyo umarang kayo dyan eh. Si Lance, Cruz. Midget.
Kami na happy nila. Laki na kalaban na yun. Laki na ulo.
Kung nan... Habit pasok sa Dreamers.
Kayo laglag.
Oo.
Alright, Barangay Ina.
Kayo rin naman eh. Okay lang yun, kayo rin eh.
Watching
Eh, naka-score naman
the
kami. Kayo wala.
last game.
Eh, hindi pa namin nakakalaban yung ano, BY. Ano yung B1?
Yung Negros na laliit na natalo na kaya.
Ano ba yan? Si Ray, umalis ka dyan.
With your audio announcer, ang batang leader ng Barangay Inaon, Emma de Guzman, and number 28, pass to the court general to Gabina. On the center, but there is the foul committed by jersey number 28 on his third personal foul, first team foul.
Nakakita ko si Ate Abby tsaka si Igo.
And fire! No good. Regalado to jersey number 8. Manapan ang magtitimon. Jersey number 8 to Regalado sa gitna. To jersey number 8, pull-up jumper, perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by jersey number 2, De Guzman. De Guzman, oy, nakalusot. But there's a foul again, jersey number 28 on his fourth personal foul, warning for disqualification. Second team foul.
May award ka sa akin. Pagkatandaan.
Subrep.
Huwag ka na.
Voltron out.
Kuya mo yan, bad ball.
Oy, black ka doon. Gabi na ulit. But there's a foul committed by jersey number 26. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Subrep.
Dito tayo dito. Di ba?
Ulam naman si Garcia.
No good. Second row.
Ito, oh. Tapos mo muna dito.
Ano dyan yan ah?
Pag di naglaro.
Nice one again.
Garin niya. Nebulizer.
And jersey number 21. Pass to jersey number 3. And number 3, pull-up jumper. Yes, sir! Three! By Guardiano. Kaboom!
Ganyan talaga.
Jacobo. Down the ladder to the rescuer. Bongadillo. Pass to Galileo. Sa gilid. Aatake. No good. And then Santos. To jersey number 21, Albania ang magtitimon. Albania. Iyon lang, intercept by Guardiano. Pass to the court general, Galileo. Easy for two.
Tingin ka dyan, ah.
And jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 21, Albania. Down the letter. Pass to jersey number 3, ang magtitimoin, Guardiano. Jersey number 3, jumper, abot. Shot clock. Line violation.
Buray nila eh.
Gano'n ba pala yan?
And number 28, to jersey number 2, aatake, ganda naman nun, 2 puntos by Abadjano.
Pasok ba yung habit? Eh, 1-1 lang din yun ah.
56-53, tala ka ng puntos.
Pag tinalo
And
na
jersey
nila,
number
kapit lang.
7,
Pag tinalo
number
nila lang.
7, L, to jersey number 2, Nogid. And jersey number 15, Abadjano being troubled still by number 26. And jersey number 38, Sabrek, second personal foul.
Anong tawag ka doon? Ano? Saan? Ay, pag natatawag ka, nagagarap ka. Huwag ganun.
And Guardiano to number 28 puts it up. No good. Power rebound by. Ganda naman nun.
Dali.
Yun lang. And L. Pass to. And
Traveling. Traveling. Traveling.
foul number 2. Holding foul. Jersey number 2, warning for disqualification. Warning for penalty. Substitution rep, 15 out.
Yan na. Nagsisisabi yun, matatalo ah. Hindi magsisisihan.
And jersey number 3, Guardiano. Taking his mark, jersey number 3. Pass jersey number. And L. Pebuelo.
Ay, Paul yun ah. Kumakala pa.
10-second shot lang. And jersey number 3, Guardiano. Pass number 26, jumper. Too short. And Gabina on the go. Big trouble sa kanya pa rin. Jersey number 5, Gabina. Atake with a left and steal. And jersey number 21. Number 21. And nice shot by El Granada. And still, no good. Nice shot, good for two. And Coach Tamo called the timeout for the team is Schoolside. Talaan ng puntos, 53-60, 7 puntos. Ang abante ng kunan ng team, Just J. Once again, happy viewing po to my Tito Ninong, Mr. Panty Albania.
Nakahubad pa kang haba na short ka. Gang,
Magandang gabi po kay Idol po rin. Tanging TC yan ang manipis eh. No? Isa na lang po ang time out mo, Coach Tamo. And jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, taking his mark. And out of bounds, 15 seconds shot clock. And jersey number 38. Number 38 down the ladder. Shot clock down to 10-5. No good. Gabina gets the basket. May kasama pang foul.
Highlight, sinarang yung ulo.
Magandang gabi po. Jersey number 2, graduate.
Nako po.
Kapatid, pabati naman kay Barangay Tanod, Rebel Paulino, at kay Barangay Tanod, Santi Chongson from Aldrin Bana.
Yung kapingan ito dyan, yung malaki, maganda naman din yung nalaro niya.
Iyon, happy viewing to my tita Moma, kay Madam Lerma Chong Tobias from Erica May Tobias. Okay? And shot clock down to 10.
Yan, laro ninyo.
Huwag mo, malikot.
And jersey number 38, pass to jersey number 2 on the baseline, napasahan, and jersey number 38, Galileo. Galileo, 1 second shot clock, but turns to contact foul jersey number. Who's foul rep? 3. Jersey number 3, warning for disqualification. Penalty situation. Jersey number 38, first attempt. Yun lang. No good eh. Nice one.
Lloyd.
5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Gago. Naalala ko J3 days.
Tinago mo. Si Harry yun
And jersey number, no good. Black. And jersey number 2. Oy, Gabina. And intercept by Albania. Pass to another Albania. To number 8. Plus puntos. And jersey number 2, De Guzman, setting the table. Jersey number 2, down the ladder, taking smart. Jersey number 2, shot clock down to 10, fire, no good. And Kaliliw nakapulot. Fire. Bang, bang, 3. And timeout. Just Jay. The meantime, 4 minutes and 16 seconds to score. 62-64 in favor of Just Jay.
Naalala ko yung ano ah.
Iisang timeout na lang po ang magabilang team.
Gusto yun ah.
Muli po magandang gabi kay Idol Pureng na naghihintay lang
Hindi ko nakita yun ah.
ng RGB sa kanya. And of course, ayun, happy viewing at magandang gabi sa team Gang Gang! Kasama ka mo doon, Idol Pureng? Nakangiti ka mo eh. Alright. And jersey number 3 sa gilid. Poltron ay regalado to El Granada. Nice shot! Good for 2 by El Granada. And jersey number 2, pass to Gabina. Sa gilid, Galileo puts it up. Bang! To win! By the court general, JC Galileo. And L on the goal, jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 3, ang magtitimoy. Guardiano, 10-second shot clock. And foul jersey number 38 on his third personal foul. Second team foul. And jersey number 7. Number 7 down the letter. Looking for a friend to jersey number 9. Pipilitin, wala. Tapikan, mangingibabaw. Gabina. And jersey number 5. Pass to the court general. Pressing the ball. Jersey number 8 to jersey number 2. Ang magtitimon. De Guzman, 15-second shot clock. Pass to the Gabina. On the center. Intercept by Regalado. And intercept by number 38, Galileo. Pass to jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 setting the table. Last 13-second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Gabina on the center. No good. Power rebound. Same ball, 14-second shot clock. And jersey number, black Adon. And jersey number 3, Guardiano, sumalaksak. Yes, sir! Good for you by Guardiano. And still the jersey number 3. Guardiano on the go. And 15-second shot clock.
Para mga junior
And
maglaro.
jersey number 15. Iyon lang. Who's foul rep? Holding foul, jersey number 09. Number 09, warning for disqualification. 1 minute and 59 seconds. Penalty situation. 65-68. No good. Second row. Steal by the Inman Gavina. No good again. Power rebound by El Granada to jersey number 9. And number 9 pressing the ball to jersey number 8. Looking for a friend to jersey number 3, Guardiano. 10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock. 5! No good. Tapikan. Makukuha ni Valenzuela. To Gabina. Hindi susuko. Jersey number 5. Slashing the road. Toss. Punto. And timeout. Just Jade. Remaining time 1 minute and 27 seconds. Talaan ng puntos. 68-67. Humiyaw para sa kabalaan ng team. Just Jade. Wala na pong timeout ng Just Jade. Ang school side ay meron pang isa.
Kala ko umuwi ka na. Wala ka sa aking feeling. Ikaw pa na.
Alright, next remote game.
Manood ka, may matutunan lang kanina.
Kay Idol Charis.
Matutunan kung paano umiwas sa suntok.
1 minute and 27 seconds.
Lamang ba isa rin?
And jersey number 3. Jersey number 3, Guardiano to jersey number 8. Pass number 3, Guardiano to Regalado. Regalado ang may hawak ng bola. Binaball pick to Trosohen. And jersey number 38. And number 38 is still the jersey number. And Regalado sumalaksak. And there's a foul committed by jersey number. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2, warning for disqualification.